Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now this box may seem plain, but what is inside is definitely not plain at all. Let's get into it. So we've got some protective mesh there, also doubles as a little polishing cloth for the box in order to keep it nice and shiny there. Let's get straight into the certificate to give us a clue about what we're looking at today. And there you have it. It is the Australian Platypus 2022 1 ounce gold proof coin. Now look at that. We've got lovely 49 gold. As I mentioned before, it is 2022, $100 denomination. And the mintage on this piece is 150 pieces. What a mintage. And here we have it. What a coin. Look at this. So you've got this beautifully struck gold coin, which is also colored. Look at the movement, both in the way it's been pressed and the color on top of it. Here on this side, again, we've got 1 ounce gold, 49 gold, which is lovely. Let's get a closer look. We'll just open up this capsule. One moment. There we go. Now let's be very careful. Oh, this is going to look even better out of the capsule. Look at the detail on that. Absolutely beautiful. You can see there on the side you've got Australian Platypus. One platypus diving into the water there. The detail in the splash. Those little bits of water coming off the surface. And then into the deep coloured depths of this river or creek. $100, Nui 2022, and of course Elizabeth II pictured there on this obverse. Just phenomenal. Nice clean edge there. You've got another platypus there in the corner watching his mate jump into the water. And just look at that when you get closer. The colouring there, the greens and blues. It's been done so nicely. The platypus is definitely one of the most unique of Australia's animals, with all its different kinds of features. Now, I used to think this was a friendly animal, but apparently this has a spike under its tail at the back. And if you're stung by this, you know, surprise, surprise, it's an Australian animal. It can kill you. So there you go. Beautiful yet deadly. Just another typical Australian animal. But this is the coin for today. As I said before, 150 pieces for this piece. And this is available, of course, from our website. That's www.emk.com. Now, I do have another surprise for you. While we're here, check it out. This coin is also available in silver. Now this one does have a bit more sort of a packaging style here, a bit more of a logo on this box. But once we get into it, it is similar to the gold in the way that it has that mesh surrounding this box. And of course you can use the mesh as a cleaning cloth as well. Extra security packed in there by EMK, just that bubble wrap. And of course, first things first, let's get into, if we can, let's get into the certificate and find out our stats. So as I mentioned before, it is a 1 ounce silver coin. Of course, it's proof in this particular instance. The silver is 3 times 9, struck again in 2022. And this is also coloured. So let's take a look. Doesn't disappoint. Does not disappoint. We'll move that out of the way and let's get in close. Once again, those blues and greens on the silver are really, really hitting home. The colouring has been fantastically done there. Printing's phenomenal. Once again, we've got 1 ounce, 3/9 silver, and Queen Elizabeth II. Let's get a closer look. Here we are. Come straight out. Thank you, silver. Thank you to the silver coin. Look at that. So the detail, the same that we saw on the gold with that platypus diving in and the detail coming off the top of the water. You've got his mate looking at him from the side. Again, Australian platypus. The wording going around the edge of the coin, but just the shimmering. Got that mirror finish, a lovely edge. That mirror finish is difficult when you'd like to film the coin, of course, but it is so nice to look at, especially when you can get up close. I mean, look at that. That has been so nicely printed on there, that colour. To really highlight the platypus, the detail of the fur itself. Really, this is a great job. Fantastically produced. Now, I should mention that with the silver, it is 1,000 of these pieces. 1,000 silver platypus coins are out there. And if we compare that with the gold, you may remember the gold was 150 pieces compared to 1,000 for the silver. And just side by side, lovely to see them side by side. Very nice. If you're interested in 1 or 2 of these coins, you can have a closer look at our website. That's www.emk.com.